Ever wondered how to get your funds out of Uphold and into your hands? You've got crypto, you've got fiat, you've got metals, all neatly tucked away in your Uphold account. But what's the point of having these assets if you can't access them when you need them? Many platforms make withdrawing your money a convoluted process, riddled with hidden fees and confusing steps. Not Uphold, though. They aim for simplicity and transparency, and today, we're going to break down exactly how you can withdraw your funds from Uphold quickly and efficiently. Uphold offers several ways to withdraw your money, catering to different needs and regions. The most common methods include bank transfers, ACH in the US, SEPA/FPS in Europe, debit card withdrawals, and crypto network withdrawals. Each method has its own set of processing times, fees, and daily/monthly limits, so it's essential to understand which one best suits you. For many, a direct transfer to a bank account is the most convenient option. Uphold facilitates this primarily through ACH, Automated Clearing House, transfers for U.S. customers, and SEPA, Single Euro Payments Area, or FPS, Faster Payments Service, for those in the UK and EU. If you're in the US, you can initiate an ACH withdrawal. Standard ACH withdrawals are typically free and can take up to 5 business days to process. Uphold also offers an instant ACH withdrawal option for a fee, usually 1.75% with a minimum of $1, which can get funds to your bank account almost immediately, provided your bank supports FedNow or RTP. To do this, simply log into your Uphold account, tap Withdraw on the home screen, select the account you're withdrawing from, choose ACH bank account, and then select your linked destination bank account. Enter the amount, choose your processing speed, preview, and confirm. Keep in mind that for new bank account linkages, there might be a 65-day cooling-off period before you can withdraw to other destinations, but you can still withdraw to the originating bank account after funds have settled. SEPA/FPS transfers, EU/UK, European Union, United Kingdom. For users in Europe and the UK, SEPA or FPS transfers are your go-to. FPS, UK, transfers are usually very fast, often completing within a few seconds. SEPA EU, transfers can take anywhere from instant to 3 business days. The process is similar. Head to the Withdraw section, select your bank account as the destination, input the amount, and confirm. Uphold allows you to withdraw funds directly to your debit card, which can be incredibly fast. This uses a process called Original Credit Transaction, OCT. Debit card withdrawals are typically completed within minutes, though in some cases, it might take up to 2 days. There's usually a 1.75% fee, minimum $1, for these instant withdrawals. It's important to note that the card's issuer country must match your account address, and the card needs to support cross-border payouts or OCT. Uphold indicates compatible cards with a lightning icon. To initiate, go to Withdraw, select your Uphold account, choose debit or credit card as the method, enter the amount, preview, and confirm. If you prefer to move your digital assets to another cryptocurrency wallet or exchange, Uphold supports direct withdrawals via various crypto networks. The processing time for crypto withdrawals depends on the specific blockchain network and its confirmation process. Some are nearly instant, while others can take longer. Network fees apply, which vary significantly depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion at the time of withdrawal. Uphold clearly displays these fees before you confirm your transaction. Crucially, always double-check the destination wallet address and ensure the correct network is selected. Sending funds to the wrong address or on an incompatible network can result in irreversible loss of funds. Also, some crypto transfers require a destination tag or memo, like for XRP or XLM, so make sure to include it if necessary. To withdraw crypto, navigate to the Withdraw section, select the cryptocurrency you wish to send, choose Crypto Networks as your withdrawal method, pick the supported network, and then paste or scan the destination wallet address. Review the details, including fees, and confirm. Verification. Ensure your Uphold account is fully verified. Higher withdrawal limits and smoother transactions often require complete KYC, Know Your Customer, verification. Fees and limits. Always check Uphold's official fee and limit page for the most up-to-date information, as these can vary based on your location and the specific withdrawal method. Daily, weekly, and monthly limits apply to different withdrawal methods. For instance, ACH withdrawals in the U.S. have daily limits of $25,000, weekly of $175,000, and monthly of $700,000. Supported countries. While Uphold is available in over 150 countries, withdrawal options and supported jurisdictions can vary. Countries like Nigeria, India, and China have restrictions, so always check Uphold's supported jurisdictions list if you're unsure. Settlement periods. If you've recently deposited funds via ACH, there might be a settlement period, up to 5 business days, before those specific funds become available for withdrawal. Receiving money from Uphold is designed to be straightforward, offering multiple avenues to suit your needs. By understanding the available methods, their associated fees, and processing times, you can confidently manage your assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.